Good morning, class. How are you? I am also fine. So now, today we are now just going to discuss a new topic, and the topic is factorization of sum or difference of cubes. Means this time there will be the sum or difference of cubes only. Okay, like a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, something like this. So on that we have some formulas there. Okay, so that identities that we are going to use here, that are number one, x cube plus y cube. So it is x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy, or you have to use x cube minus y cube. So that is x minus y. Inside will be x square plus y square plus xy. See what has changed here. It is minus here, so it is minus. But inside it is plus. See, both are same only here. Here both are the same only. Same formula. But what changed? This value only changed. Xy. One time it is plus, one time it is minus. So remember here, whenever you have a sum of a square, xy term is always negative. When you have a difference of cubes, then this is always positive. So what is that? If there is a sum of cubes, xy is negative. If there is a difference of cubes, xy is positive. And this is the same. Okay, so now we are just going to solve some example here. Okay, be ready? Yes, you all are ready only. So now see here. Suppose they have given us 27x cube plus 125y cube. Okay, it has been given to us. Okay, you will say, sir, what is this? This is 27x cube, this is 125y cube. So first of all, when numbers are given there, no, you check it whether they are a perfect cube or not. Yes, they are the perfect cube. This can be written as 3x whole cube. This can be written as 5y whole cube. Now it is based on the formula of a cube plus b cube. Understand? It is based on this identities a cube plus b cube. So you can now write a plus b. Very good. Then a square plus b square. It is plus here, so minus x into y, 3x into 5y. So your answer is 3x plus 5y. This one is 9x square plus 25y square minus 3 5 is 15xy. Okay, so this is the answer here if it is given like this. Okay, now come here for some 1-2 more questions here. Okay. Suppose that here they are given factorize. What factorize? Factorize a cube plus b cube plus a plus b. You will say, sir, this is totally different. Why it is totally different? Sir, I can't use the common also. Okay, that is also not possible. Then focus here on this part, a cube plus b cube. It will give me a plus b. How? See this. So a cube plus b cube, it can be written as a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Is it? Yes, it is. Then our equation 1 will become is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab plus a plus b. Now this is one term, this is the second term. Now tell me, what is common in these two terms? What is common there in these two terms? Obviously, very good. What is common? Common is a plus b. So inside it will become a square plus b square minus ab. From here also a plus b has gone outside, so it is plus 1 only. Okay, so this is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab plus 1. So this is how we can factorize such type of questions. Okay, so it's very easy now. Yes, it's very easy only. We have to focus on our critical terms only. Okay, one more questions and then this chapter is not going to disturb you there. All questions will be understood only. Okay, see one more questions there. Suppose that they have given 2a plus 3b whole cube minus 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, they have given like this. Okay, so we can do here one thing. See here, 2a, 2a, 3b, 3b. So I can write here, let x is equal to 2a, y is equal to 3b. So this can be written as x plus y whole cube minus x minus y whole cube. Am I right? Yes, this can be written like this only. So what will happen with this? Okay, so first of all we are having x cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube. So it will become only x minus y here. Or one more thing we can do here, do it separately only by using that formula we are having then, a plus b whole cube. You can use that formula also. So from that formula also this will come. So you can do like this only here, that a plus b whole cube, that is a cube means x cube plus y cube plus this I have taught already you. So this is 3xy into x plus y minus x minus y whole cube, that is a cube minus b y cube minus, it is there only, so it is also minus only, 3xy into x minus y. Okay, so we'll progress like this only. So this will become x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y, okay, plus 3x y square minus x cube plus y cube minus minus plus 3x square y, and this is minus minus plus and plus minus minus 3x y square. So what will happen? Now see one thing here, x cube cancel only. Then what can be cancelled else? This is 3x square y, 3x square y. This is 3x y square. Okay, this and this cancel. So it is only y cube 2 times plus 2 times 3x square y. Okay, so your answer will become 2 times of y is equal to 3b whole cube plus 2 into 3. What is x? What is x here? X is equal to 2a whole square. What is y? Y is equal to 3b. So it is now 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2s are 54b cube. And this one 2 3s are 6, and this is 4 only. 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 4s are 72 a square b. So this is what we can write here in this question here. So this will become 72a square b plus 54b cube, and if you wish you can take b common outside here also, otherwise this is your answer. So this is how we can do the chapters nicely. I hope you would have understood this. So this is for today's class. In next class we'll learn something very new. So till then, all the students take care, and thank you class. Thank you for this.